Good morning. Morning. Good morning. I have on my orange top and some green socks and some stretchies. I never wore this outfit before, but these are my favorite colors, so this is what I'm wearing them. He needs to get his dog. Put some skin cream on. But anywho, I love my at-home eyeshadow look. I need to warm up some coffee right now. That's why I'm going ahead and warm up some coffee. I know I need to get a coffee maker, but let me tell you this. I get tired of those little coffee cup coffee makers, you know, messing up, going out. So I'm gonna warm up water on my stove. And I need to purchase some more coffee. I may take a trip to Target today because Target sells the kind of instant coffee that I like. Like in today's vlog here on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna wipe down my kitchen cabinets. Okay, like it's small. It's small up in here. Like my kitchen is very small. And today I'm dealing with my small space home. So now it's my living room area. Okay, view right there. This is a good angle for the camera because I want to be more in the camera, y'all. Like being in this small little space, of course I'm grateful that I have a house. I'm not living with family and stuff like that. I have my own privacy, my own home for me and my family. But my thing is, the space is just so small. This is one of the reasons why I really want to move, because I need a bigger space. I want a bigger kitchen. So I thought by doing this vlog today, I could show y'all like what I'm talking about. Like this is why I want to move, because the space is so small. It's driving me crazy, okay? This is the smallest house I've ever had, okay? So I just feel like it's time for something new. It's time for a new space. A little work area, so small. It's time for a bigger computer. I don't want to get a laptop. When I do move, I want to get a computer or a bigger tablet that will look like a computer. And then I'll have like the Bluetooth keyboard like I have for here. Now this setup is just ratchet right now. I do have my journal out and my monthly planner that I'm gonna go over sometime today. Yeah. I do have May goals, but I don't want to talk about them anymore because y'all probably tired of me by now with, oh, I want to move, I want to do this and that. Okay, so this table right here drives me nuts. Let me just throw that over there. Let me just throw all this stuff off of here, because this is not even a table. This is something that I purchased from the $5 store for decoration. But anywho, I should put like a wood top over this to make it like a table in the meantime. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Be honest, this whole room just drives me nuts. It really does. And I know I need to declutter this basket right here so that it's not so heavy. And y'all know that I wiped this down last night and it still looked like that. That's because it's cheap. Everything is a mess over here. I'm gonna take this shelf down because I just don't like how it look. I can put this at the end of my bed, like going this way. Nah, but I don't want to do that. Let me get this out. So I put the little table over here in this area, facing this way instead of being up against the wall. It is so terrible, but let me just work with this in my small space. I have my window open, y'all, right now. There's fresh, crispy air coming through the room. Okay, y'all, so I'm liking this new look. It's more polished and the feel is just more cleanly looking. You know, so when I get up off my bed, I can just go over here, turn on my tablet, have my little wall decor. Okay, so this is the look. So to get in my house, I have to use a key chip, and the batteries go out on my keypad on my house door sometimes, and I need to replace the batteries today, so that's what I'm doing. Hey y'all, it is later in the evening. I have not went to Target nor ordered anything off of Instacart. I just want to stay home. I thought about going to the movies to see that new movie called Tarot, but I think I'm gonna just watch the movie on my TV by just ordering the movie. Hopefully I can order it on my TV. Yeah, it's a scary movie. It's called Tarot. It's about tarot cards that, you know, control people's fate in the movie. But anywho, I don't want to go nowhere. I am bummed. I am like, girl, I'm not going nowhere. I'm just staying home. I get like this sometimes. Do y'all ever get like that? Where you don't want to leave the house, where you're just at the house and you're like, oh, I want to go somewhere, but then I don't. Yeah, and I think it's good that I stay home because, you know, I've been cleaning up all day and trying to figure out this small room. Like, these rooms in my house are so tiny. But, you know, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everything still. But still, girl, I don't want to go nowhere after today. I don't know. I'm just in that mood. I don't want to go nowhere. I'm going to just sit at home, turn on a scary movie. Yeah, and just call it a night. I will see y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Sorry the vlog is so short. I'll try to push out a longer vlog tomorrow, hopefully. It just depends on, like, my level of energy if I want to get up and go anywhere. But it's cold outside, it's raining, it's snowing, the sun is coming out, but the sun is going down right now. But yeah, the weather is kind of chilly outside, so I think it is a good idea that I do stay inside. I already removed my eyeshadow because, girl, we ain't going nowhere. We not going nowhere. So, yeah. I will see y'all tomorrow. Sorry this vlog is so short. I don't have nothing else to say, but I'm about to turn on my movie and fall asleep. Now, if I go to that movie theater, that movie gonna be probably 3 hours. I'm not ready for that today. That's why I'm gonna just stay home and watch the movie and fall asleep in my bed, okay? Anywho, talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.